Coming to you from Quezon City Sports Club as we continue Season 2 of the Members League Inter Undrafted. We have here our Sweet Smile Dental, best player of the game, Mr. Raymark Adorio with 12 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals. So, congrats po on the blowout win. Anong klaseng bond or training para magkaroon kayo ng outstanding chemistry?
Siguro yung advantage namin ngayon, siguro naglaro kami bilang team. Salamat sa coach namin, si Coach Yan. Siya talaga na gumagawa ng play namin. Kung paano yung rotation ng ng player namin para maglaro kami ng maayos. Yun lang po siguro.
Yan. Heading into the semis, what improvements can we expect from your team po?
Siguro, gagawin lang namin yung best namin sa semis. Kung sino po yung mga kalaban namin, bibigyan namin sila ng magandang laban. Yun na po.
Yan. Lastly, do you have anyone you'd like to give a shoutout to or invite the fans to continue supporting you for the next game?
Inimbita ko po kayo yung mahilig maglaro ng basketball dyan. Sumali po dito sa Undrafted Basketball Club. Season 3 po, gaganapin po sa City Arena po.
Yan. Once again, our best player of the game, Mr. Raymark Adorio of Team White Chocolate. Please like and follow our FB page, CX Basketball League. Thank you po.